We're live. He's still tearing paper and crinkling and working very, very hard. Maybe getting frustrated? Tristan, what are you doing? Destroying magazines. Does this mean I don't let you out often enough? As you can see, a little bit of an angsty artist. Passionate. We're gonna hang that on the fridge, Tristan. Yes. Because I'm that proud. Okay. That's my artist.